Hi, my dear Matholics. Welcome to Sarvottam Diksha. Pause the video and read the question. We have two pipes here. Let me assume first pipe fill the pool in X hours and second pipe fill the pool in Y hours. To understand the concept, let me take an example. Let there be a pipe which fill the pool in 10 hours. So I divide the pool in 10 equal portion. Definitely one out of 10 portions will be filled in 1 hour. So 1/10 of the pool gets filled by the pipe in 1 hour. Now tell me one thing. If I put one more pipe, will the rate of filling the pool for the previous pipe will change? No, it happens only with humans. Both the pipes will keep filling the pool at their own rate. So bigger pipe will fill 1 by X portion of the pool in 1 hour and smaller pipe will fill 1 by Y portion of the pool in 1 hour. Together they are taking 12 hours to fill the pool. So 1 hour they will fill 1/12 of the portion. This is my equation. Definitely in 4 hours it will fill 4 by X of the pool. Actually, I am adding 1 by X 4 times and hence I get 4 by X. Similarly, the smaller pipe will fill 9 by Y portion of the pool in 9 hours. They have told if bigger pipe works for 4 hours and smaller pipe work for 9 hours, half of the pool is filled. Put 1 by X equal to A, 1 by Y equal to B. You will get two linear equation, two variables and solve it. Here comes the second question. According to the conditions given, if I solve the algebraic expressions, I will get quadratic here. They have told that bigger pipe take X hours to fill the tank and smaller pipe take X plus 10 hours. So definitely in 1 hour, bigger pipe will fill 1 by X portion of the tank and smaller pipe will fill 1 by X plus 10 portion of the tank. So together they have given us, they are filling the tank in 9 3 by 8 hours, which is nothing but 75 by 8 hours. So in 1 hour, it will fill 1 by 75 by 8 a portion of the tank. Which I solve is nothing but reciprocal. How it comes? I am showing it to you here. So actually, the portion of the tank filled separately by both of the pipes should sum up to portion of tank filled by them together, right? So here 1 by X plus 1 by X plus 10 is equal to 8 by 75. If I solve this equation, I will get a quadratic. The quadratic we will get is 4x square minus 35x minus 375. Write your answers in comment box. I'm not solving it till end. It's a quick revision. And if you are troubled, oh my god, how will I solve the factorization with this big coefficient? Please see my next video. Till then, bye bye.